Hi, I'm Joey and this is Kerri. We're the founders of 25-Eight Coffee, and today we have a new pour-over method that we want to introduce to you guys.
So today we are using my friend and coworker, Ben's perfect pour-over recipe. Ben is a former special ed teacher and he's now a PhD candidate at the University of Texas Marine Science Institute. And this is his favorite pour-over, and so we're going to try it today.
All right, here we go.
For a pour-over, Joey is very excited to use our new manual coffee grinder. So for a pour-over, we are going to be using our cute little cup and our pour-over top and our place to put our coffee beans. So for this pour-over recipe, this cup holds 8 ounces of water. And for 8 ounces of water for a pour-over, Ben suggests that we use 14 grams of ground coffee. So we have our balance out, and Joey is going to give us some of his fancy
Top it off.
grown. There you go. All right, so for this method, we are using 25-Eight medium multitasker blend coffee. And for a pour over, you need your beans to be a medium ground. So that's what we have here. We're going to put our coffee grinds in the top and just kind of evenly distribute them. And we need a medium ground for this because we don't want like a fine ground for espresso where the coffee grinds are actually going to fall into the cup, because that would not be a great cup of coffee. So the other important, very important thing that Ben told us is that we need very hot water for our pour over that is not boiling. So kind of like for a French press where you boil the water and let it sit and cool a tiny little bit. That's also what we need for our pour over. So, the art of the pour over. So we are going to very slowly pour our hot water uniformly over our medium ground coffee. And pour overs are a little bit slower because what you want is the water to very slowly pull through the beans so that you're getting a really good flavor from the beans, and you're not missing out on that. So a pour over typically takes, if you have like a 20-ounce cup, it should take you about 5 to 7 minutes. This one is gonna go faster because we're only using 8 ounces of water. You wanna give it a go?
Sure. That's it?
Yeah, and there we have our pour over. So if you want to try this recipe at home, we are going to post Ben's perfect pour over recipe on our blog. And you can also check out our blog to see ways that we're upcycling our bags. What else do you have on there?
Educational, it's an educational blog post that we post. We're trying to post every Wednesday and Sunday, just kind of tips and tricks that you can kind of use in your classroom as far as strategies, reading techniques, classroom management techniques, and first year strategies for first year teachers.
And we also have everything you need to know about our coffee and ways to prep our coffee, and anything you can think about for coffee is probably coming. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Twitter. We're at 25-Eight Coffee. And yeah, drink coffee, help teachers, y'all.
See ya.